Once you got past that, this is where a lot of the work comes in. This old paneling from the 70s here. A lot of people are considering painting paneling in their own house. Give us some tips on how to do it right.
Sure. The first thing I'll do is wipe it clean. Come back and putty all the nail holes, caulk any kind of cracks.
Right.
Use 100 grit sandpaper to rough the surface up.
So instead of smoothing with the sandpaper, you're actually kind of roughing it up so that you get that adhesion that you need.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what I'm using here is a tinted 100% acrylic latex primer.
Okay.
And that will bond to the sanded paneling, and then it'll be ready for the
finish coat after
finish
that.
coat.
Well, I'll tell you, the primer tinting it a little bit like that really does make a difference in terms of having that finish coat covered up real well. I know that's a great tip to go with, but I know that after you do all of that, you still have kind of a different approach on the trim.
That's correct. Basically, what I'll do on that to prep it, same thing, sand it down, caulk, putty, and then in this case, the homeowner wants oil-based finish coat, so I'll go with an oil-based primer and then put 2 coats of oil-based finish coat on.
I see. All right, that should really produce a pretty high gloss then if you're using oil on all of that.